Hey guys, welcome back to Marketing Fundas Global. In this video of MS Word course, I'm gonna teach you how to use autocorrect option in MS Word to work more efficiently. Yes, I'm gonna show you how you can use the autocorrect option in a different style in order to save some time in order to work more efficiently. So let's get into the video and learn about this. So guys, as you can see, right now I am in my MS Word software and I have written some content here, right? So what is this content? Basically, I'm gonna use autocorrect option to replace some word, right? As you know, autocorrect replaces our wrong words with the correct word, right? And you can leverage that power to save some few seconds of your life. How you can do that? Let's say you have to write a content and you know that I'll be writing marketing fundas word or I'll be writing search engine optimization word in my content many times, maybe 12, 13, 14, or maybe 50 times, right? And maybe I need to add the address multiple times, right? So you what you can do is you can add a shortcut like mf in your autocorrect settings so that whenever you write mf in your content, it will automatically replace the word mf word with marketing fundas, or whenever you write seo word in your content, it will automatically replace with search engine optimization. So let's get understand how we can do this, right? And in file you have to go to at the end, which is options. Click on this options, and once you click on options, this type of window will appear in front of you. Now click on proofreading. In proofreading, you will be able to see autocorrect options. Click on this. Now here you will be able to see tons of autocorrect, preset autocorrect, which Microsoft Word has already set here, right? Now what you can do is you can add your own autocorrect as well. Now let's start one by one. Let's start with MF, right? So I've written MF here. Now here I'll be writing marketing fundas because I want to replace with this word, right? Now I just have to hit the add button, and as you can see, it has been added. Then we have SEO. So let me write just SEO, and here I have to write search engine optimization, right? Now let's just add it. Now let's do the third one, which is address. So I'll be not writing full address, I'm just writing ADRS, right? Address, and here I'll be writing the whole address, which is F12 Preet Vihar, New Delhi, and the postal code is 110092, right? So this is the address I have added. Now just hit the add button, and as you know that I have added three shortcuts or three autocorrects, right? Now just hit the OK button here as well. Now let me just write MF, right? I have written MF, and once I press the space or the enter button, it will automatically change into marketing fundas. Now let me write SEO, and I'm just pressing the space button, and as you can see, search engine optimization, right? Now then we have address, which is ADRS, and let me press the enter key this time. So that's how you can use these options. You can leverage the power of autocorrect option, right? Now once you are done with your content, you don't need these word, basically you don't need these shortcut into your MS Word. Go back to your file, options, then proofreading, then autocorrect options, right? Now here again search those all options MF, right? This one is, now just once you are into the word which you want to delete, just hit the delete button, and as you can see, the word has been deleted. Now second was SEO, this one, right? Hit the delete button. If you want, you can replace it. Let's say you want to edit it, you can do that as well, right? At the end we have address, which was ADRS, right? So this is address. Now if you want to replace it, basically if you want to change this address, you can just click on replace and you'll be able to change it, right? But I don't want to change it, I just want to delete it, right? So I've deleted all the three options. Now if I write MF here and press space key, nothing will happen. SEO, press space key, nothing will happen. ADRS, address, nothing happens, right? So that's how you can leverage the power of autocorrect option in your MS Word. I hope you learned from this video. I hope you understood the process, and if you do so, please hit that subscribe and like button. Also, don't forget to share this playlist, this course playlist, with your needy friends who want to learn MS Word in a better and advanced way, right? And with that said, I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.